Hi everyone! In this video, using the example of an Audi A6 C5, I will show you how to check the upper front suspension arms. Specifically, I will show you how the ball upper arms behave if they are faulty. Checking the suspension is very simple. You can even start turning the steering wheel on an unstarted car and you will hear dull thuds. Now I have my car off and I'm starting to turn the steering wheel. I'm just swinging the steering wheel left and right. By turning the steering wheel, the steering rack transmits force to the upper ball joints, causing them to knock. You can also ask someone to shake the steering wheel while you observe the torque arms movement under the arch. Another way to check the suspension arms is to place your hand on the arm and feel for any jolts or vibration while someone else moves the steering wheel back and forth. You might not be sure whether it's the tie rod or other suspension components making the knocking sounds. This can also be done by jacking up the wheel from where the knocking is coming from, which will give you more space to inspect the ball joints. In addition, you can jack up the wheel where the knocking is coming from to have a better view of the control arms. Then, using your hand or a pry bar, you can move the suspension, and if the upper control arm is damaged, it will show signs of looseness in the ball joint. It can be seen that the second lever is in good condition and is connected together with the tie rod and everything moves as a single unit. However, the front lever is wobbling on its own, which means that the ball joint has worn out and there is clearance play there. It is advisable to buy two new tie rods so that you don't have to worry about repairing them again in the future. Replacing the tie rods with new ones will ensure that the suspension system works properly and efficiently. I bought Chinese analogs of the levers because mine turned out to be faulty, and in the next video I will try to replace them in its simplest way. That's it! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!